Hi friends, I am Samuel. I am studying my final year mechanical engineering in Welltech Dr. RR and Dr. SR Technical University. My batch number is 8 and now I introduce my project to you. I share my ideas with you and my project title is Master Cylinder Design Optimization in Braking System. Mostly master cylinder is used in common automobiles because master cylinder is distributing the pressurized oil to all the wheels. In master cylinder, after some period of duration, the master cylinder flange will fail because the master cylinder flange is attached with the booster. After some duration, that means around 82,000 cycles, the master cylinder flange is braked because of the continuous usage and vibration of the automobiles. Here we are eliminating the failure of the master cylinder at the flange area and also optimizing the master cylinder outer diameter. Here what we are going to do here by increasing the flange thickness by 0.5 mm and reducing the outer diameter of the master cylinder by increasing the 0.5 mm. Now I will explain the working of the master cylinder. By applying the brake pedal, there is two areas there. One is primary seal area and second one is secondary seal area. By applying the brake pedal, in between these two, the pressurized or reservoir oil is filled by this area. And by pressing the brake pedal, the oil is pressurized and it will go through the oil wheels by the hosing. And this pressurized oil is used for efficient braking system. Now we will move. Let me move to the slides, and in that I will explain the total project about my project.
I already explained my master cylinder, my title project. This is master cylinder design optimization braking system, and my batch member is myself and my Vikas Kumar Jaiswal and Giri Babu. So this is the view of the braking system model, and we are playing the brake pedal. The master cylinder will pressurize the oil is pressurized in master cylinder and will distribute it to all the wheels. And this is the construction view of the master cylinder. While applying the brake pedal, the primary seal and secondary seal is compressing the hydraulic oil and it distributed to the wheels through these ports. And here this is the problem is occurred in this area. The red color rounded it's surrounded by red color area. This area is failed at 82,000 cycles. This is our existing model. Here all the dimensions of the master cylinder, flange, the nut, the thickness of the tie rod end is shown this figure. Here what we are going to do is just increase the flange thickness. It is surrounded by a blue line from 11.15 mm to 11.65 mm. So this is the view details of the master cylinder. So here we explained the material properties. The material is aluminium. The Young's model is 75,000 megapascal, and the Poisson ratio is 0.33, and the density is 2.7 gram per cc. And this is the construction view and dimensional details of the master cylinder. This is the outer diameter of the master cylinder, and 42 mm is outer diameter, and 11.15 mm is flange thickness. These details we are going to edit. And this is the existing model analysis result of the master cylinder. At this point we are getting the maximum stress area and from flange, and this point is of our outer diameter. So we are going to do different iteration for different case studies. First we are going to increase the flange thickness. The different iteration details are given here. First 11.35 and 11.45 and 11.65. So three different iterations we will do. And for first iteration, for those different iterations, the maximum stress values is reached at this point. So first iteration 157, second is 152, and third is 143 megapascal. And here the increased stress values and displacement values and the mass values are shown tabulated in this area for different iterations. and we have already plotted a graph for those stress values versus the flange thickness values. The x-axis shown the flange thickness and the y-axis shown the one-inch stress values. And the other case studies, we are reducing that means optimizing the outer diameter of the master cylinder for different iterations. We are going to reduce the outer diameter by 0.5 mm, and this is the various analysis result for outer diameter case studies. Here at this point we are getting the maximum results, and for iteration 1 103, and for 2 105, and for 3 107 megapascal. And these are the same tabulated details for outer diameter as like as the flange. Here we will reduce the 9 grams of master cylinder, but in case of flange thickness we just reduce the increasing the 3 grams of master weight total mass, and we have tabulated the thickness versus stress values for outer diameter. So this is the proposed model for, that means the final result of the master cylinder. Here we increased the flange thickness for 11.65 mm, that means 0.5 mm, and reduced the outer diameter into 1 mm. And these are the dimension details. Here we clearly mentioned the flange thickness for 11.65 mm and the outer diameter is 41 mm. And this is the analysis result for our proposed design. At this point we getting 156 megapascal at the flange area, and in the outer diameter on 107 megapascal in stress in outer diameter master cylinder. So this is the SN curve for our proposed model. So the black line shows the failure model, that means existing model of the master cylinder, and the blue line shows our proposed model. The previous model is failed at 82,000 megapascal, and the proposed model is shown the lakh and 40,000 megapascal. And finally the conclusion that we achieved our aim because by eliminating the failure and optimize the design. Thank you.